What's up guys, it's Cutie Pie 88. I'm coming to you guys with a wig review. This wig is sponsored by YIROO Hair. It's an Amazon seller, so let's go ahead and get into the unboxing for you guys. It did come with lashes and a wig cap. Here is the unit right here. So this is a blonde asymmetrical bob, very, very beautiful color. It is a closure wig. And it does have a fake scalp, so you really do not need a cap for this unit. The fake scalp underneath will make the parting look super realistic. It does come with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 at the back, and 2 adjustable straps. It does have lace at the back, which I did not use. It does come pre-parted, and you can only middle part this unit. You cannot bleach the knots due to the fake scalp underneath, but you can bleach the knots in the front of the lace. This is a 14-inch bob, and it does have a really, really nice cut to it. The highlights are really nice, and it's very blonde. The hair is very, very silky. First impression of the hair, it was very nice. A little frizzy, but you can tame that frizz with a little bit of product. So I did go ahead and still put a wig cap on, but it's not needed, just to help with the foundation of my hair. And this is the wig straight out of the box. I did use the combs. Ladies, let me know if you use combs when you put on your lace wigs. I feel like I need them or the wig will slide back. This wig is small head friendly, so it was sliding back because it was too tight on my head, so keep that in mind. So the wig is going to curl under at the bottom just due to the packaging, but here is the parting space. As you can see, there's a line of demarcation where the fake scalp begins. It is pretty long in the back, so you can cut it if you want, but here's just a side profile of the unit. And I did have to go and adjust it to not make it so tight. So I did notice some short hairs at the top of the unit. That's unfortunate, but it can be laid down with a little bit of holding spray and some wax. Either wax, beeswax, or wax stick. So here's a close-up of the lace closure. I will bleach the knots in the front, but that's the only place you can bleach it. It does come pre-plucked as well. Pretty nice hairline. So I do cut the lace before I install it. It just makes it easier for me. And hopefully all this being done in real time is helpful for you guys. I try not to speed up a lot in this video. So the lace is pretty transparent. It's very light though, so you're gonna need to put some skin colored powder foundation on the lace. But here's how the lace is looking. I do see the black knot, so I will bleach the front. This is after the knots have been bleached. They look a little better. There's that fake scalp again and the front of the lace being bleached. So I'm going to install it. I'm just going to clean my skin with some alcohol, make sure it's free of any makeup or oil. Then I'm going to use my trusty dusty lace wig bond spray. Sorry, I didn't show the front of it. And I'm going to allow that to dry just for a few seconds. It gets really tacky really fast, so it doesn't need long to dry, and you don't need a blow dryer with that lace bond spray by Eben. And I'm just going to simply lay it down. And you don't want a lot of tension because you don't want the wig pulling back and sliding back on your head. That's why the wig does have to be a little loose. You don't want it super tight because that tension is going to cause the wig to slide back. So I went ahead and just added a little bit more spray. And here I'm using my Remy wax stick. You can find this at any beauty supply hair store pretty much. And I'm just using the wax to lay the top of the closure down. And I also used it throughout the entire wig because blonde wigs, they just tend to be a little bit more frizzy. I'm not sure why. I guess because of the bleaching. But it did really help those short hairs. Now I'm going to go in and put some heat protector on it. Make it a little bit glossy and smooth. And I'm just going to flat iron those curls at the bottom. And the cut is really amazing on this unit, guys. I absolutely love the length. It's perfect length. I actually might dye this wig and make one side shorter than the other. I may customize it a bit, but I wanted to show you guys how it came right out the pack. And this color is the bomb. So I'm going in with some powder, a little darker than my skin tone. And here's the finished result, you guys. Very, very quick and easy install. Definitely check this company out on Amazon. The links will be down below. So impressions of this unit, very, very nice hair, very flowy, of course, tangle free. Here's the back of the unit. Like I said, I didn't really pay attention to it much, but it can definitely be cut shorter if you like. Very, very smooth hair. The only con is it was just a little frizzy, and the wig cap size is pretty small. Other than that, this is beautiful. If you're into color like this, I would definitely rock this, but I may end up dyeing it. I wouldn't put any baby hair on this unit. It's literally perfect the way it is. And the color, they just got it. They nailed it on the head with this color. It's very, very nicely done. So at first I thought the parting space would be too short, but it actually looks pretty good. It looks really natural and realistic, like my own part. It's just a fake scalp. You can see the knots in the fake scalp area, and you can see the line of demarcation, but you got to be really close to look at that. So it's not that bad. The cut is amazing. The hair is very, very flowy, and you can't go wrong with bobs, and you cannot go wrong with this one. Now, to my girls that likes a dark root, I do. I think it looks so much better with a dark root. So if you don't have time, you need to do this quickly. Literally touch it up with some mascara. Nobody will know the difference. Later on, go in and dye it with some dark dye. But this is a quick fix. Go ahead and brush it in and no one would know. And it actually looks better with dark roots to me. Much, much better. And you can see the parting much better. This wig lays completely flat. I forgot to mention, super, super flat. So definitely check this out. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye, you guys.